Okay, so let's do a little bit of Sunday morning pre-ride chain maintenance. So the chain is okay, slack-wise, but it needs a little bit of a cleaning. So let's do that right now. First thing, let's protect the floor with a little bit of cardboard from all of the chain cleaner and chain lubricant that we are about to use. And speaking about keeping things clean, a couple of microfiber rags, gloves. This is our cleaning brush, the actual chain cleaner itself, mow tool, and finally we're going to put some chain lubricant on here called chain wax. Lasts for a long time. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the chain cleaner, which is fully shaken up, and I am going to spray it onto the chain, just like that. But as I spray it, I'm going to move the chain this way, just gently pushing the wheel so that as I spray it, the spray goes all over the inside of the chain. We're not going to spray the outside, we're going to spray the inside. So here we go. So after the chain cleaner has been fully applied to all of the inside of the chain, we are then going to let it soak in for just a minute, and then we're going to use this cool little scrubbing brush here, which has 3 sides, and we are just going to place it over the chain like that. And again, we are going to move the wheel this way, and we are going to run this over 3 sides of the chain and then change the angle 90 degrees to get the other side. So here we go with that. And after the brushing is complete, we'll just use a microfiber rag. You want to use microfiber because there's no fibers. And we're just going to run this completely over and wrap our fingers around the entire chain while rotating the wheel. And as you can imagine, there is some dirt and grease that comes off that chain. Now we're ready for some chain lubricant to come after the cleaning process. Okay, here comes the chain lube, chain wax. We are going to, of course, make sure it's shaken up. And again, just like last time, with the cleaner, we are going to spray it along the entire inside length of the chain while rotating the wheel. So with the lubricant now fully applied, everything seems to be fine. And let's wait 15 minutes at least before we go riding, like I kind of said in there. The chain is nice and clean and lubricated. Let's go for a ride.
It is so foggy in Dana Point. Laguna Beach.